Welcome to the InfoFlux. Today we have an exciting Arduino project in store for you. We will be showing you how to create a plant monitoring system using soil moisture sensor and DHT11 sensor. We will monitor the soil moisture, temperature and humidity and display the values on the OLED display. Also we have set the moisture limit. When the moisture value will be decreased from the defined value, a buzzer will be turned on. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the component we will be using for this project. We have an Arduino Uno board, soil moisture sensor, a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor, an SSD1306 OLED display, buzzer, and breadboard. The capacitive soil moisture sensor measures soil moisture levels by capacitive sensing rather than resistive sensing, like other sensor on the market. It is made of corrosion resistant material, which gives it an excellent service life. Insert it into the soil around your plant. This module includes an onboard voltage regulator, which gives it an operating voltage range of 3.3 to 5.5 volt. It is perfect for low voltage, both 3.3 volt and 5 volt. The soil moisture sensor consists of 3 pins: ground, VCC and A out. Connect the ground pin of the soil moisture sensor with ground pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the VCC pin of the soil moisture sensor with 5 volt pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the A out pin of the soil moisture sensor with A0 pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the VCC pin of the DHT11 sensor to the 5 volt pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the ground pin of the DHT11 sensor to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the data pin of the DHT11 sensor to digital pin 2 of the Arduino Uno. Next, let's wire up the SSD1306 OLED display. Connect the VCC pin of the OLED display to the 3.3 volt pin of the Arduino Uno and the ground pin to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the SDA pin of the OLED display to the A4 pin of the Arduino Uno and the SCL pin to the A5 pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the buzzer to digital pin 3 of the Arduino Uno. When we have not inserted the soil moisture sensor, the value is less than 15, so buzzer is turned on. When we put the soil moisture sensor in the soil moisture exceeds from the 15 and the buzzer turned off. When we put water in the soil moisture increased. You can also replace the buzzer with water pump. You can see the soil moisture, temperature, humidity values on the OLED display. So that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel for more exciting electronic projects and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.